This Metro East child's month-long battle with COVID-19 could leave her long-lasting side effects. That's why her mother is taking to social media to prevent others from experiencing that same pain. And News 4's Gabriela Vidal talks to the mother, or has the mother's plea for you to get vaccinated right now.
I knew Mira was going to fall in the category of if she gets it, it's going to be bad.
Carolyn Burkhead's 10-year-old daughter, Mira, has been overcoming obstacles since the day she was born.
She was diagnosed shortly after birth with encephalopathy. She ended up with infantile spasms, and that has developed into intractable epilepsy. She is nonverbal and non-mobile, but smiles a lot. But because she's not mobile, oftentimes when she gets sick, she will get sick much worse than a typical child.
And that's exactly what happened when Mira was exposed to an asymptomatic child in the Collinsville School District.
August 27th was exposure. By September 1st, we were in the emergency room, and early mornings of September 2nd, she was intubated.
19 days on a ventilator at St. Louis Children's. One night in which she almost didn't survive.
Her lungs, at least one of them we know for sure, possibly both of them, collapsed, and she stopped breathing. But they were able to flip her prone on her belly and start getting air moving into her lungs again, and they eventually expanded.
Here she is back home after her month-long battle.
There appears to be some damage to either her trachea, her larynx, her vocal cords, not sure what yet.
But also fighting other unexpected complications.
We had to deal with withdrawal from morphine and multiple rounds of antibiotics to help with secondary infections that set in from being on a ventilator.
Aside from urging all eligible people to get vaccinated, Burkhead is eager for her child to get the same protection. The FDA is set to meet on October 26 to consider approving the COVID-19 vaccine for children ages 5 to 11.
I think finding just the right dose to give to the kids is probably why it's taking a little bit longer.
Hospital networks in the St. Louis Metro tell News 4 they are actively preparing for the rollout of the vaccine for children under 12. Chesterfield pediatrician Dr. Jessica Smith says that time could be as soon as November.
Or maybe by Thanksgiving, we can get all of our kids on the road to vaccination.
Gabriela Vidal, News 4.